Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I love this here remote. I'm here to share some stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. I threw it in this box because I threw the bag away. Yeah, I just did a unboxing on this here beauty. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on this here unboxing. If y'all not familiar, at the beginning of my front door I have like an entryway table, and I was at my local Dollar Tree and I came across these here few things I just wanted to share. So if y'all have a Dollar Tree, well, I'm sure y'all do, so y'all can go run and check it out at your local Dollar Tree. I did purchase this here, I call it a Charlie Brown tree. So I have this here tree and my daughter helped me fluff it out. If not, I probably would fluff it out myself. But it is a Charlie Brown tree, so, and then it only costs $1, so it's not gonna look like, you know, something all fancy, but it'll serve its purpose at the front of my door area. You know what, I didn't realize you have to buy the hooks, but they had these here little gold balls that go on the tree, which I thought was really, really cute. The theme that I have so far is red and gold. They have the little tree topper. Like, how cute is that, y'all? This is so cute. So that's gonna go on top of the tree, and then you go, they have lights. Yes, tree lights. Yeah, they were $1. And I got these here jingle bells that I'm gonna also put on the tree. This is what I thought this was really cute. They have a tree skirt for the tree. Yes, a tree skirt. Like, how cute. And then last but not, well, not last but not least, but they also had garland for the tree. Yes, for the tree. So I did get red. I do have this here tree in white. I may purchase the white too, because like I said, it's only $1, so I may purchase the white. Said the white wasn't available at my local Dollar Tree. And then last but not least, I got this here sign that says "Let It Snow." And I got this to place in the the back area of my table, or like in the corner or something, because I liked my little Halloween decor so much. I was like, okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it for Christmas. I didn't see anything for what's that called, Thanksgiving, so I think I'm gonna skip Thanksgiving, just go straight to Christmas, because this here stuff is just so cute. So probably over the weekend I may go ahead and decorate my tree, and of course I'm gonna share with you all in a vlog. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a Christmas tree. I want to get a Christmas tree, so I'm still looking. I did see a tree, because if I do get a Christmas tree, I want a flock tree, which is the white tree, white and green tree. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you all the things that I found at Dollar Tree, so y'all can run to y'all local Dollar Tree and grab some decor. It's still fresh and new, because in a couple of weeks you probably ain't gonna find nothing, because at the Dollar Tree they've been like stocking up on a lot of Christmas items. I know Thanksgiving didn't even come. I know Thanksgiving is not even here yet, but y'all know how they do decor. Like, they always come out months early and weeks earlier. So I am loving her. Like, look at her, look how pretty. Like, make sure you watch the unboxing. I share more on the unboxing, and also make sure you look out for what fits in the bag, because I did also film that in this complete look. So you will see this look 2 times. And I also have my blue light glasses, y'all. These here glasses, I'm gonna say it again, y'all, these here are so bomb. If you are constantly on computers and iPads and iPhones and things like that, they are wonderful. Like, oh my goodness, I love them so much. Did get these here from Nordstrom's. You can order these off of Amazon, but I got them off of the Nordstrom website, and they were $15. So I'm not sure what part of the vlog this gonna go into. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me show you something real quick. I didn't want to do a separate video for this, but I just wanted to share my Bite Beauty purchase because it was last week and they were having a sale. 3 items I think were $45, and then I also used a extra coupon, so I ended up paying like $30-something for all 3 of these items. And I wanted to share because Bite Beauty just converted over to all clean products. So they came out with a new lip scrub, and it says weekly. So keeps my lip scrubs in my shower because that's how often I use them. Got this here lip scrub. I think I had a Bite Beauty lip scrub a while ago, and this is the golden sugar. So they do have the new, I keep forgetting about the new camera. They do have new packaging, and then they also come with a little spatula. And then here is your lip scrub here in the inside. Golden sugar, yeah, it says the new face of clean. So yeah, this is a 100% clean product, clean cosmetic brand now. So everything has been revamped on the Bite Beauty website. So I got that. I also got this here lip pencil. These are one of their, this here lip pencil color is one of their older lip colors, but since they switched over to clean, they just changed the formula of, you know, all of their products. So it may be the same color, but it's a different formula. It's more of the clean version, and the packaging is new as well. I think that's how you pronounce it, amaretto. And like I said, you probably saw this here in the part of their new clean collection. And this here is the color that I got. Last but not least, this here is a new product. This here is the Plumping Lip Glosses, and this is in the color Yay Sayer. And the actual lip bundle because of this, because this here is one of their new products. It has this here plastic applicator, and I do have another one, and it feels so good on your lips, you all, when you go and apply it. I don't want to use it because I do have something on my lips. On their new lip plumpers are all clean. I think this here is infused, what it says, clean plumping high shine gloss powered by Sugar Foods. They have like cinnamon or something in it. It doesn't have that tingly feeling like that I think it's that Too Faced lip plumper, like that Too Faced lip plumper. Child, I tried that on one time. I had to wipe that off right away. It really stings your lips. Like, I don't know what was in it, but I couldn't wear that. So it doesn't have that type of plumping sensation, but I guess it has some. I guess it has something. Yeah, it's infused with cinnamon oil. I didn't get it for the plumping sensation because I don't really need to have, I don't need my lips to be plump. I got it because of the packaging, and then also it's a really good product. So I just wanted to share with you all. So yeah, that was it, because I be buying things behind the scenes, and a lot of times it's not even worth filming. But since I'm vlogging, I just wanted to throw this here in the vlog really quick for you all. You may not have this particular set available, but I will link down below what I purchased. So if you want to take advantage of anything I just showed, it'll be down in the description box. If you don't take advantage of anything, you may want to try the new lip plumpers because they are really, really good products. So with that being said, you all, I will see you in my next vlog. Until next time.